Morning. We are in a little village, Bellefontaine, I think that's how you say it.
We're really close to the Swiss border. Very close. We're not going into Switzerland.
No, today we're heading down to Annecy. We have beelined it to here, haven't we?
We've done a lot of driving over the last couple of days, which is probably why there probably won't be much in this video so far. Because we just wanted to get to the cool bit.
Yeah, with Ryan
and there were thunderstorms.
Yeah, there still is.
I think there still are lurking around, but I'd rather have a thunderstorm somewhere cool.
Yeah, of course. Ryan and Lucy have only got like 2 weeks, so we thought we'd take them to the Alps straight away. Boom. To the cool bit.
The cool bit first.
Yeah. And not disappointing so far.
No. We're on our little morning walk around like the little village where we are, and it is so peaceful.
I'm not seeing anyone.
The only thing you can hear is like the faint like bells. Oh, I've missed that sound.
Yeah, me too. It's just so peaceful here, isn't it? Oh.
A life hack. If you buy frozen croissants, they are very fresh every single morning. Bonjour.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
What are our neighbours doing, Lucy?
Morena's in a state of undress on the floor, reaching for cable ties. Lucy's just straight chilling. I'm chilling, waiting for croissants.
We're waiting for croissants too. On our rainy drive towards Annecy, we happened upon two rather soggy hitchhikers called Marie and Jugette, who had been walking through the Alps for 3 days straight. So we gave them a little lift to the train station before we arrived at the municipal campsite in Annecy.
Yo, it's just me in Annecy, and the mountains over there, and they look really cool.
They do look mad, don't they?
Yeah, Mitch.
Well nice.
I'm actually so gassed to go there.
Well nice now.
So do you remember the way, do you?
Yeah.
We have made it to Annecy, short walk from the campsite, and we're about to walk into the old town.
And it's a lovely day after all the rain we had this morning.
Yeah, it's looking beautiful, isn't it?
Let's get drunk.
We're definitely out here playing tourists for the day. We're trying to find somewhere to eat now. That sounds like it. Oh yeah.
That's good.
That sounds like the Alps. Look at this painting. Wow. That is amazing. But it looks cool anyway.
Here we go.
Do you want me to go?
Hey!
What flavours are you getting?
Maybe cherry?
Yeah.
We are a little bit squiffy, but there are mountains, and Mitch is about to attempt to fly the drone.
This could be a really bad move.
Right, just be really careful, and everything will be fine.
I think as long as I get him high enough, he'll be fine.
We have found a pub that is actually serving food. We have some white wine this time, switching it up from the rosé.
Covered in like.
Cheers. This is incredible. Wow. We have a cat on our roof. Oh, hello. Would you like any treats or?
Look at his eyes on here.
Au revoir. Good morning. It's the following day after the wine. Me and Ryan are on a bakery run. What have you got, mate?
Deux croissants, deux pain et chocolat.
Ah oui, bien, bien.
I'm waiting for Google to finish. She done? Good morning from Annecy.
Yeah, boy.
We are leaving Annecy and headed to a waterfall hike. And it is pretty grim weather, but we've decided to just get our waterproofs on and get on with it.
Yeah, crack on.
Crack on. You can tell we've had some pretty good wild swims because the back of the van looks like this. Love it.
So we've driven about 30 minutes around the other side of the lake and we've come to a hike for a waterfall called Cascade d'Angon, and it looks really cool, so pretty gassed. None of these lot have seen it yet, so we've not even got to the waterfall yet, and this is worth it just for this.
This is sick.
This is a really cool hike. It's a little hike, really cool.
Small but mighty.
Wow. We've come down from the waterfall. We're now back by the lake, Lake Annecy. We're going to go for a swim.
Just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. You're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away.
So we found these little pontoons on Lake Annecy. We parked the vans up over back there somewhere. Now we're here.
Bobbing about.
Time of our lives.
So fun.
Bobbing about and having fun.
I would say that was a very successful lake swimming afternoon. Would you not, Mitch?
It was so much fun, wasn't it? It was
That was
good.
so much fun.
Yeah.
There were so many people like sunbathing and being really serious, and we were there like pushing each other off this pontoon. But the view
I'm with you.
was just next level. Like, it was just so fun. We're gonna go chill now and find a little wild park up for the evening. I really want to get my pizza oven going. Whether I'll be able to or not, different story. But I've got to prove that it was worth taking up the space in the garage, because Mitch is a bit cross about that. Oh, Jesus.
despite the rain, I think this is probably one of the coolest park-ups we've ever had. In the middle of an alpine forest, come on. And, hang on, let me take the brolly away. Oh look, there is forest all around me. Ah, beautiful. Don't think there's much chance of us getting that going tonight, but nevertheless.
Bonjour.
Sorry about that.
Bonjour.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci. That was our cool little park up where we were last night. The plan, if it was sunny and nice and everything went our way, was to get the pizza oven out and have like a night sat outside around the pizza oven, and it would have been great. But it rained, so we just stayed in the vans, chilled, played Boggle, and that was nice too. That was nice too. And now we're on the way to a Lidl in Albertville, and just to stock up on a couple of little bits. And we couldn't have fired the pizza oven anyway because we didn't have any wood.
We need to see if we can find some wood.
We need some wood, like kindling or something. It works better on kindling. But yeah. That is the plan for today. We're heading a bit further south. There's a cool lake we want to go and see. Mm-hmm. So I think that's where we're off now. Woo! Woo! It looks like a stoked little green truck. Look how stoked it looks. It's like, yeah, mountains! Ah, mountains! Yeah.
Slicing our own bread in Lidl. Why don't we have those in the UK? They're amazing. Look,
Can you please hold my handbag?
slices the bread for you.
Dude, I need to actually get the bread.
I'm absolutely buzzing. Nice. Little.
We've just gone up a pretty hectic hill in the vans, so we found somewhere to stop. We're going to stop, have some lunch, give the vans a little chance to rest before carrying on. And I'm really excited because we found this really cool big thing of bread in Lidl this morning. So I'm going to make big boy sandwiches for lunch. Look at this. Big boy sandwiches.
I'm so blessed.
We have just stopped because we found near where we're going to park up tonight, and it looks incredible.
So we drove about 4 hours from the last park up near Lake Annecy through all the windy roads and the rain. Now I've ended up at another lake called Lac de Pontoon, I believe, which is really blue, surrounded by mountains, and we found this cute little park up that overlooks the lake. This is looking perfect. We're going swimming. It is about 15 degrees and raining and stormy, yet these two over here have said, oh, it's so warm in the lake, so now we're going to go swimming and see.
Yes. We've got these two in charge of the oven. I'm in here, I've made the dough. We've got a pizza decorating station. Topping station. We've got mozzarella, we got cheddar, we got chorizo, we got salami, we got tomatoes, we got bolognese, we got pesto, we got special pizza sauce. And the dough is proving in front of the diesel heater. This smells good. We are all absolutely stuffed full of burnt pizza. We haven't quite figured out the pizza oven yet. And we are sat in the vans, figuring out an itinerary for tomorrow. What's the plan, Mitch?
Italy. We're crossing the border into Italy, over the Alps, and we're going to head down to the coast of Italy near Genoa.
Beach day!
Hopefully we can do that tomorrow. We'll see how it goes, won't we? Ooh, I'm just trying to figure out stuff to do along the way.